In a world full of deadlines and destinations, some places still whisper to the soul. India is not a country you just visit. India is something you feel. It's where spirituality isn't practiced, it's lived. Today, let me take you on a journey through 5 spiritual places in India that everyone should visit at least once. Welcome to Vivo Trip. Here, we don't just travel, we experience. Explore India, feel India, live India, love India. Where the sacred Ganga meets the Himalayas, lies a town soaked in silence and stories. Rishikesh. This isn't just a yoga hub, it's a place where you meet yourself. Here, time slows down. You hear chants instead of horns. You breathe deeper. Foreigners come here seeking flexibility of the body, but leave with peace of the soul. If there's one place on earth where life and death hold hands, it's Varanasi. This city is not a tourist destination, it's a spiritual mirror. The smell of incense, the sound of temple bells, and the sight of flames all fuse into a single moment of surrender. Foreigners don't come here to see, they come here to understand. Bodh Gaya, where Buddha awakened. More than 2,500 years ago, a prince sat under a tree and awoke to become the Buddha. That tree still stands in Bodh Gaya, not just as wood and leaves, but as a beacon for truth seekers. Foreigners come here not for adventure, but for answers. To meditate where Buddha once did is to feel silence in its purest form. Somnath and Dwarkadish, echoes of divine time. On the western edge of India, the ocean kisses 2 ancient temples, Somnath and Dwarkadish. Somnath is the temple that refuses to die. Destroyed and rebuilt multiple times, each stone stands tall like a prayer of resilience. And Dwarka, the city of Krishna, feels less like mythology and more like memory. Foreigners walk these temples not for photographs, but to feel time slow down, to feel history breathe. Pushkar, where the desert meets devotion. In the heart of the desert lies a lake surrounded by 52 ghats. Pushkar is not loud, but it lingers. The only temple in the world dedicated to Lord Brahma stands here. At sunset, foreigners and locals alike gather by the lake not for ceremony, but for stillness. Camels pass, bells ring, and time pauses. India doesn't speak in languages, it speaks in energy. It doesn't show you spirituality, it lets you live it. And in these 5 sacred places, you won't just see India, you'll feel it. Not just with your eyes, but with your soul. And if you wish to experience these places, not just through a screen, but with your own heart, Vivo Trip invites you. We don't just offer tours, we offer journeys into India's soul. Your spiritual India journey with Vivo Trip. If you felt the spirit of India through this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.